As a community manager, one of the things I do is identify engageable opportunities with people who mention our brand or products indirectly, meaning they didn't @mention my brand or comment on one of our own channels. This allows me to be proactive with outreach. I can accomplish this in 3 steps. Step 1. Create topic group. Step 2. Create topic. Step 3. Add listening column to engagement dashboard. The first step is to create a topic group. Keep in mind that in order to create listening topics, modern research must be enabled in your environment, and proper permissions assigned to you. To create a topic group, I go to Modern Research and select the topic's hyperlink under Listen. I'll then be taken to a list of all the topics in my environment. Click on the Add Topic Group button. I'm going to name this group Acme Brand Topics and leave the optional description field blank. I can then select how I want this topic group shared. I'm going to leave the default, which is my workspace, Acme. I could also share it with specific users or user groups by clicking here. Finally, I'll click on Create. I'm then taken back to the list of topics. The second step is to create a topic. I click on Add Topic. From the Topic Group drop-down menu, I'll begin typing the topic group I just created and select it. Next, I leave the topic type on Query-Based Listening and click Create. You will immediately be taken to the Build Query tab. As a best practice, click on the preview icon. We will see the tabs dynamically update as we build our query. I'll look into those in just a moment. I'll begin building my query by naming my topic Acme Brand under Topic Name. I'll leave the brief description field blank because the title doesn't need to be further defined. In each of the query sections, you will enter words, phrases, or keywords from a keyword list. Every brand has commonly used keywords, like all of your product names or your executive names. Rather than enter them one by one every time you build a query, a keyword list lets you build them one time. Anytime updates are made to the keyword lists, any topic where the keyword list has been used dynamically updates for you. This will save you valuable time and ensure your topic queries are kept up to date. The ability to create keyword lists is considered a permission, so if you don't see this under Listening Settings, check with your administrator. Scrolling down to the query section, I'm going to start by entering my brand's name. Please not here in red. That data won't be fetched from Instagram for keywords without hashtags. I'm going to type Acme and click Enter. Acme now appears below with an X to delete, or plus to add additional words to a word group. Next, I'll type #Acme to pull in from Instagram and enter. Anything that is entered here will have the OR Boolean expression. If it's a word group, all of those words would have the AND Boolean expression. I'm not going to add words to the ALL field. If I did, the AND expression would be used. Under None, I'm going to select a couple of keyword lists: profanity, English, and sales, spam. The next section, Query for the topic Acme Brand, will update dynamically and show the query as one long Boolean string. Under Manage Sources, I can select the sources of the messages. It will default to all Sprinkler sources. I'm not interested in print, TV, or radio, so I'm going to remove those. Finally, under Custom Properties, select any tags you want to add to your query. Alright, let's take a look at the preview tabs on the right. As I mentioned previously, these tabs update dynamically as we complete our query. Conversation Stream is the first tab. This will help me verify that my topic is fetching the engageable conversations I'm looking for. The next tab shows the top words used. The Estimated Volume tab displays the number of mentions pulled in, so that I stay within my company's allotted mention count. Finally, the Estimated Distribution tab will help you narrow down to the channels that provide the most information. I can see that reviews and VK are at 0%, so I will remove those. I'm now satisfied with my query, so I will set the Not Fetching switch to Fetching and click on Save. The third and final step is to add a listening column to the engagement dashboard, so I can see the messages from the query I just created. These dashboards can be designed many ways. This particular example is broken out by source, but Sprinklr could be configured by admins to route by language, source, message type, influence level, and much more. The first column is a workflow column. This column is based on a queue that routes inbound messages from your social channels that have been escalated via a rule. I can then engage with the message through the use of macros. I would like to view the messages from the query I just built, so I'm going to click on Add Column. I'm going to start typing listening and select the listening icon. I want to view the messages, so I'll select Conversations. I'll name the column Acme Brand. Under Topic, I'll begin typing Acme Brand and select it. When you tab or click out of the field, the Column Preview column will populate the conversations. I can further narrow down the conversations by selecting Themes, Language, Follower Count, and any custom fields in my environment. Sprinklr is very flexible in this respect. The last step is to click the Create Column button.